Toyota Harrier RX330 model. Okay, so to install the 9-inch OEM good fitting casings. Okay, this is the Senpai. So 9-inch Android player. So the QLED screen. So the screen resolutions 1280.720. Okay, so the install the Comex HD. So the angle 115 zeros. Okay, so this the HD can open the reverse slide, but the player opens reverse slide and off. Okay, and bypass the original steering control, so no problem. There's the voice and mode and next. Okay, and here in the phones. Okay, go to Bluetooth the phones. Okay, how to connect the Wi-Fi's direct here and the Wi-Fi's. Take open. Yes. So to see your phone, the hotspot, your name and the PIN number in the login. Okay, and here is the Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth name and the PIN number. Here the search your phone, the name number. So here is the navigation ways. So don't connected. Okay, and FM. Okay, can save to 18 channel. So to take the save. Okay. And here the FM and the navigation, the Bluetooth and the music for the pen drive. So the pen drive, the two USB external. So one and USB 1 and USB 2. This is the SIM card for can support those 4G data. Okay, micro SIM support to. Okay. And the equalizer DSP for the egg blend is the normal. For the egg blend equalizer and the sound and the push and the pay push. Okay, and the T-Link 5. This the CarPlay and the Android Auto can support. So the CarPlay to connected the Wi-Fi, the wireless connected, cable can, and YouTube. So the no online lah. Okay, YouTube. The here can change your short form, the apps, the here. Okay, and the YouTube, then the videos, and the full screen, and the homes can support the picture and picture, and the Play Store, log in your account, can download the APK system. Okay, and the online, take here. So the team can change the 4 teams. 1, 2, no the data lah. So to and to connect the data, to open here lah. Okay. And the 6 TV mic, tengok Malaysian movie, and check the GPS signal. Good and good. No good. Okay. Open. Okay. Good. And the Android and the aux. File manager can see your USB, check the file, and the player the storage. So this is player the 4 GB RAM 64 can support the 360 model. Okay, and the Netflix, Google Map. Okay, a steering control setting, and the OBD setting. Okay, go to see Android system. So the Senpai TS18, right? Okay. And Bluetooth 5.0s. Okay, the 4K RAM 64 storage, Android version 12. Okay. Okay. So install by one please. Thank you.